Hi guys, do you know that when you put alligator pepper under your pillow, it will help save you from having bad dreams in the night? In this video, I will share with you how you can do it, okay? Welcome back, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tips here in this channel. Please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, okay? Do you know that putting alligator pepper under your pillow will save you from having bad dreams? It will save you from having bad dreams. If you're the kind of person that anytime you lie down in the night to sleep, you always have bad dreams. You always see strange animals, strange faces, strange things coming to attack you in your dream. Then alligator pepper can save you from having those bad dreams. Okay, I will share with you everything that you need to know on how you can use alligator pepper to stop that. Okay, just by placing it under your pillow. Okay, so for you to do this spiritual assignment, you need to understand that there are so many things that is going on in this world. Okay, your enemy can be coming in your dream to attack you, to take away your blessings, to take away anything that is good that is coming your way. Okay, your enemy can be doing that. They can be coming in your dream to take away good things that is about to happen to you in real life. Okay, so that is why it's very important for you to stop them in any way you know you can stop them. Okay, in any way you know you can stop them. That is very good to stop them from having access to your life, because when your enemy have access into your life, you are not going to move forward in life. Okay, anything that you try to do to progress in life, they will make sure they scatter it. Okay, so if you are kind of person that is always having bad dreams, seeing strange faces, seeing strange animals coming to your dream to take things from you or to attack you in different form and different method, get your alligator pepper. Okay, one bunch of alligator pepper. Okay, when you get one bunch of alligator pepper, open it from your back, because that is the right way to open alligator pepper. When you open it from your back, from your front, you have made a mistake. Okay, when you open it from your front, you have made a mistake. Open it from your back. Now, when you open it from your back, you're not going to take out any seed from it. Okay, you're not going to take out any seed. So be careful as you're opening it from your back so that you will not waste the seed. Just make sure you open it quietly, carefully from your back, and take that bunch of alligator pepper, the bunch of it, slot it under your pillow. Slot it under your pillow. Okay, slot it under your pillow and be lying on that pillow to sleep in the night. Okay, be lying on that pillow to sleep. Whenever you want to sleep in the night, lie on that particular pillow that you have slotted that alligator pepper under. Okay, you will see that those things that are coming to you in your dream will stop coming. Okay, those things that is coming to you in your dream will start coming. Don't take away any single seed from that alligator pepper. Take notes. Okay, you don't need to take away any single seed, because when you take away any single seed from it, you have spoiled it. Okay, you have spoiled the work it will do for you. Okay, alligator pepper have so many process, so many things you can use it to do, and it has different process. Okay, this time around, you're not going to take away any single seed from it. Just open it carefully from your back, then slot it under your bed, under your pillow. Sorry, slot it under your pillow, and lie on that pillow. That bad dreams, that faces, those things that are coming to you in your dreams will stop. Okay, when you slot it under your pillow. Okay, this is a simple method you can use to stop having spiritual attacks in your dream. Okay, by slotting alligator pepper under your pillow. Just put it under your pillow and lie on it every time you want to sleep. Okay, lie on it every time you want to sleep. When the alligator pepper old, when the alligator pepper is old, when the alligator pepper is old, you can change it and put another one. Okay, make sure it is always under your pillow, not under your bed, under your pillow. Okay, it will stop anything that is coming to carry out their attack in your dream. Okay, so make sure you do this to stop them. Okay, so that they will not have access into your life. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this video, use the comment section so that I will explain it very well for you. Okay, and if you have not subscribed and you are new here, you like what I do, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. Okay, so that is what you can do with alligator pepper. If you want to talk to me directly, use the number showing on the screen, and please make sure you don't take number from the comment section, because a lot of scammers are dropping their number on the comment section. Okay, so that is what you can do with alligator pepper by just placing it under your pillow. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.